Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. Now, there is a couple of fixes. Obviously, this is a very common issue that a lot of people experience. It could be on Android or it could be on iPhone. So let's get started and let me show you how to fix this. So first of all is try to disable Bluetooth. So make sure your device isn't linked to any wireless speakers, headphones, or microphones. So make sure to disable Bluetooth entirely and also make sure to close all applications that are connected to Bluetooth. So once you do that, you will be able to open the Bluetooth again and then connect it again to Discord. And make sure that Discord is the only app that is using your Bluetooth headphones. So that is first thing that you can do to check and to basically fix this issue. Now, if this hasn't fixed issue just as of yet, what you can do is you can configure a microphone and a headset in Discord Mobile. So if you're new to the Discord app, you need to open the app settings and select voice and video from the menu and make sure your volume isn't too low and make sure that your headphones and microphone are correct ones or selected correct ones. So that's one thing. Second thing, as I can see on Reddit, this was 1 year ago, but this still works today, is, this guy said, I had the same issue, finally figured it out myself. I also have a new Samsung phone. Enabling developer mode on your phone, which is going to settings, go about phone, software information, then tap build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Then under the developer options, you can go to the Bluetooth AVRCP version and change it to 1.6. It is set to 1.5 by default. After I did this, my Bluetooth headset worked correctly with my Discord mobile app, as you can see. So basically, this is the framework that is used to interface Bluetooth on your phone with other devices. You can try this on your iPhone as well. And then obviously that's the one thing that you can do and that you can try. But the second thing, obviously, there are a couple of things. Obviously, check the phone voice settings, right? That's also one thing that you can check out. You should check your device voice settings if you're experiencing issues with Discord audio, as there are other easy fixable problems. And obviously check the Discord mobile settings and all that good stuff, right? And also disable automatic gain control. So these are just a couple of fixes when it comes to fixing Bluetooth headphones not working on Discord mobile. So if you have any other questions, or if you didn't fix this, again with this video, comment down below and I'll try to help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.